Hello, folks, students, professionals. Let's welcome back another important field learning in BP Sales Master Data. So, account assignment group for customer. Okay, if you have ECC background, by this time you understood what exactly it is. Okay, so today topic is customer account assignment group. Okay, that's fine. So what exactly it is? Generally, when you create a billing document, okay, so you have a, what I would say, base price, and you have something called discounts, you have something called freight, you have something called tax, you can take surcharges. All these are the different things you are going to calculate it, right? At the time of doing pricing. So once a bill is created, these condition type values will be posted into the GL accounts. Okay. What is GL account? GL account means one general ledger account from finance side. So they for calculating, for settling down, for reporting, you can take anything. Okay. FI side, this is one of the key integration between SD and FI. Okay. So how it is linked this concept to customer account assignment group? So, so basically, these values will be posted to where GL accounts, right? So with the help of our SD side, account key. Account key is a 3-digit parameter. Okay. With the help of that, it will be posted. Okay. We're going to see all these things at the time of account determination. I have already explained this one. So now, what is this customer account assignment group? Okay, let's try to get back to the practical S/4HANA system. Let's click on the BP. So if you take this customer, okay, let's take any one of the customer, it doesn't matter. If you go to the customer role of sales and distribution data, so in billing tab, okay, you can able to find here customer account assignment group. Okay, this is one of the parameter to segregate your revenues or depends on the kind of discount, kind of the freight, kind of the surcharge. If you would like to segregate your values, okay, so then we're using customer account assignment group. Let me try to show you one OTC cycle so that you can able to do the mind mapping at your end. Okay, account. Let's keep this. So with this example, you can better understand this. So we're just trying to deliver this 1 kg stock. Okay, let's do the post goods issue and let's do the billing actually. Okay, so last time we activated VLP audit, that's why it is giving this error. I need not go and check. I'm double confident on this. Okay, let's do the VLP OD, proof of delivery, and let's try to do the bill. Okay, so let's try to go to the change or display mode of the billing document. Now, if you click accounting document, if all the based on the account determination concept, if everything is satisfied, whatever the GL accounts you are going to maintain, and so it is linked with your SD pricing and also this will be posted. For example, if you see this, okay, so this is a revenue and this is basically discount. You can able to see this. These are the sample example of GL account. Now accounting document generated. If any issue is there, you will get an issues. Okay, so if you look at this general ledger view, okay, also you can able to find it out. Okay, come back. What is the more important thing? Let's go to the environment, account determination, revenue accounts. Okay, this is basically your revenue account determination. In general, they will call it as a revenue accounts, but it can be any account for that matter. Okay, all these are the combinations. You can able to see this. this combination is not satisfied. Actually, this combination is satisfied. Here, even you don't have customer account assignment group, okay, for your account determination. So what you can able to understand this, okay, account assignment, customer account assignment group. Basically, let me write it. And another one is material account assignment group. Okay, these two are optional. Depends on the requirement you are going to use it. It is at your material master level. This is at customer master level. You need not have both, or else you need not have individual alone. So it's not mandatory. Okay. But what is the biggest advantage? Okay, in account determination. So let's go to the transaction called VKOA. Okay, now if you look at this account key, so here standard I'm taking KOFI, and maybe this is INT, and our sales organization is RAM. So if you look at this, what is the minimum requirement you must require is, so your application where you would like to utilize account determination, and this is the for revenue and controlling, you will have a different condition types. If you want n number of condition types for revenue, also you can able to define. It depends on your requirement. Okay, this is basically chart of accounts. If you look at this, so application is sales, and this condition type F5, okay, to post the values to your finance. Okay, this is basically your sales organization, this account key, and we are inviting whenever revenue generated, you have to post to this GL account. Okay, so this account key is in standard ERL. For example, if we take ERL is revenue. Okay, so this is revenue. ERS is your sales direction. Like that, ERF is for your freight, like that he has given. If you want, you can able to create your own account keys. That is different story. So this is basically for it's account determination is the bridge. Okay, so like you have a SD module, so billing will be created. Okay, so from billing, whatever the values it is got calculated in pricing, those will be posted to your finance. Okay, so finance team, because it need to be settled down, right? This is called your accounting document. So without having an issue, if you would like to generate accounting document, so you should have to do the one common concept called account determination. Okay, this is one of the key integration. Okay, so in interview, someone asks, you can able to tell that account determination is the one of the key integration between SDFI. As long as SD process you are running and FI processes GL accounts you are creating. So if you would like to settle down your bill without this, you cannot able to do that. Okay, so this is one of the key concepts. Let me mention so that you can able to read SD FI integration. Okay, so I have done a very good session on this. That is different story. So then why we have customer account assignment group and material account assignment group? Let me try to understand this. Okay, so let's come here. So here, so whatever the revenue comes, I'm just posting to this GL account. Okay, right? That's what I instructed the system. You take any customer for that matter. Okay, so maybe my company has, depends on the business. For example, especially if we take a retail business, okay, retail business, you have a distributors. Your company is selling stock to distributors and wholesalers and retailers. Okay, so I'm telling cases, okay, this is case one, you imagine, for practicals. So then distributors, I'm using this GL account. Okay, maybe like for your understanding. Okay, this GL account I'm using for. So I would like to separate the revenue for wholesalers. It's like this. I would like to separate the revenue for. Okay, retailers is like this. My business, I'm going to sell stock to distributors, wholesalers, and retailers. Then if I use the same GL account, so for example, $10 lakh, okay, maybe like, let me put it, the revenue for $1,000 okay, he is from distributor, it is got generated. So another $1,500 it is generated. Another $3,000 it is got generated. Okay, let me put it the currency for your understanding, for our convenience. You can take any currency, INR or USD. Okay, so what is the basic advantage? I would like to separate my revenues based on customer wise. Okay. So now you understood till that time in sales tab, if you would like to differentiate these guys either based on customer group or sales group, you are using, okay, customer group basically, okay, or else price list or something like that, price wise. But GL account wise, revenue I would like to get segregated separately. I'm using this field, customer account assignment group. It's not mandatory to have a subdivision like this. I can able to use the same GL account also. Okay. Then why we have some customer has a requirements are like this. Okay. So how much revenue it is got generated if they wanted to get a report and they would like to post into separate GL account for the to finance and for finance reports or finance calculations. Okay. So if you take the same case one, you have to define what I would say three GL accounts like this. Okay, this is basically GL account. Okay, so when I would like to do the customers, so for example, if this is the need. Okay, so case one, I'm talking about any material code, customer orders. So I don't want any separate segregation material wise, but I want revenue basically based on my customer account assignment group. Such cases, I will do like this. Okay. So in my BP master billing tab, so any wholesaler is there. I might define the code like this. D1 is for distributor, W1 is for wholesalers, or else R1 is for retailers. Maybe I can do like this also. Z1, Z2, Z3. It is basically 2-digit code. Maybe I can do like this also. 01, 02, 02, and 03. Okay. So basically I cannot able to show you. So let me put this one as the text. Okay. So now I can able to show like this. 02 and 03. I can segregate it. So I have a 3 GL accounts. Okay. Customer base wise segregation is there. This is you are not the individual is going to decide that. Okay. Suppose on your SD discussion. Okay. So with you, finance person might be there, might not be there. Actually, when you are discussing with your customer, he want like this. Okay. If it is in an existing project, okay, support enhancement or else fresh implementation, you have to check with your finance person also. It is not your individual decision. Okay, because GL accounts in FS 000 practice system, what you are creating, you are not going to do in real time. Maybe like quality system or some other development system, your FI guy says that yeah, you can create it. That case also, so lots of restrictions will be there. It depends on the business. Okay, but actual GL accounts will be created by your FI team. So in general, in implementation, you will capture all GL accounts after discussing with the customer into different Excel tabs or else any document. The document he will give it to you. What configuration need to be done. Then you need to double check and discuss with your FI guy how they are expecting the revenue, either customer account group wise or else in general. If you take, let me go back for this scenario. Okay, what you found? Your sales application, condition type, and chart of accounts, and sales organization. Okay, it's the same thing. Let me try to copy this one. Okay, So let's try to go back to the Excel. So similar example in real time, these are the assume GL accounts, same GL accounts. You got it from your customer. So if this is the case, this is the sales organization. What you have to do is, okay, here what you have taken application, INT, sales organization. Along with that, you are going to take, for example, this for your understanding, we are taking this one. All these are customer account assignment group as a combination for you. And along with that, you are going to map these three GL accounts. Okay, so that revenue will be posted, segregated separately instead of going into the same GL account. Okay, this is the basic advantage. In the similar way, you will have a material account assignment group also there, but this is optional. Your client don't want it. Okay, you can able to take the 01, like whatever standard is there, that you can able to take it 01. Okay, let me try to copy this one better. So 01 as account assignment group. You don't want any further GL accounts. So same GL account, you can able to post it. How you are posting now in standard. Okay. So this is the basic advantage of customer account assignment group. Okay. So at the time of account determination concept, we can able to see this. It has a broader sense of understanding how you can able to segregate and post to your GL accounts. So then the question is here. This is created by them. Okay. For example, you are posting revenue PR000 is there, right? That may be in real time, maybe Z0001 or else ZR000, okay, or else YB01, some condition type UB01, they will create it. That revenue, if you would like to post to GL account, what is the bridge between your billing and finance accounting document to create is basically this is the one account key that we're going to define in our SD. Okay. For example, if you take ERL for revenues in standard, okay. So ERS for deduction, okay, and E or for what I would say, right? So you have some kind of a special surcharge is there that is not there. You are going to define this one. Surcharge. Okay. So now the question comes into picture. If I made a segregation, so is it only for revenue or else deduction or freight all? It depends. Only freight only he would like to segregate it. Freight means for a distributor one kind of freight, wholesalers, retailers one kind of freight. That is there. This is case one. Okay. You understood case one, right? So let's try to understand case two for this. Okay. So your sales organization and your what I would say country wise, you have a customer account assignment group. Okay. For example, 01 is for let me copy this one again. Okay. So let's put it 02. This one only here 02. So let's assume that you found a need like this. Okay. So country wise, irrespective of wholesaler or retailer or else anyone, country wise, he would like to segregate it. Such a case also 01 exclusively for USA. Okay. So multinational whatever business you are doing, then country wise you would like to segregate it. Such case also 01 is always for US customers. Okay. 02 is for India, and this is for Germany, and this is for UK. Okay. And this is for Poland. So that means whenever they would like to find the revenue for Poland, okay, all the revenues will be posted into one separate GL account. For example, this is the GL account I'm copying. This is USA, exclusively for USA. And this is for India and Switzerland. Like that, you have a choice of these kind of scenarios also. That means you can able to country wise also you can able to divide. Okay, this is basically kind of the customer. Maybe you can able to say that distribution channel type of the distributor. Okay, this is here based on country. Certain times it might be region revenue they would like to calculate, and they would like to pull the reports on their balance sheet or whatever you call. They would like to segregate the revenue. They can able to do it country wise also. Okay, same customer account assignment group. You are going to define all these things. Okay, so I have worked for one project. In that project, exclusively worked on account determination. It's boring, but it's okay. So like they have divided like head office, customer, and branch. Okay, this is one of the bank project. So what they did it head office and branch. So like always, customer account assignment group is Z1 is head office, Z2 is branch. Whenever I got a rollout requirement, I need to do it. For materials, they will have a different GL account. That is different story. But this is always constant. Okay, as a real-time example. So maybe it might be single or same also like that. You will have different cases that you have to understand. So now you understood, right? What is customer account assignment group? What is the influence here? Okay. So for example, let's take for our scenario this GL account. I'll just open this one. Right. So this is the GL account, right? I'll just let's play with the system. Okay. So let's click on create, already created, right? So let's click on, okay, 1 second. What I wanted to know is just copy this. Maybe I can do like this. The press center, it's already created. Okay. So this is not there, right? Okay. So let's assume I would like to create this GL account, for example. Came back. 1 second. Just one scenario, simple scenario we'll check actually. And just create with template. So just copy. So from where I would like to copy. Okay. So DRT1, I copy. So if you copy, this has got created one GL account. Okay. Let me put it text as this is for distributor revenue. Okay. I'm just showing an example for you. This is distributor revenue. One is saved. So let's try to take one more. So again, this is, I'm just copying. So this one is for, so let me put it. Wholesaler revenue. This is fine. You can able to extend this example. Okay. Let's save this. So let's put it to one more for. So this is for basically for retailer. Copy. Retail rev. I'm just trying to show you how the account postings will come based on customer account group. Okay. We copied. Let's come here. Let's try to frame everything practical. Okay. So let's put it here. This is for retailer. This is for this GL account is for wholesaler. This GL account is for a customer. Okay. So just try to remove all these cases. Just try to see one cases. You can try how many cases you want it. Even based on the material also, you can able to do it. Trading goods, finished goods, or else you can able to do something else. Okay, that we're going to see later. So let's try to understand this. Here, this basically follows the condition technique only for the scenario. So I'll just show you. I don't show you the full concept. Concept I already recorded. It is there my S4HANA course and ECC course and YouTube channel also. I'm just showing you this example because let's assume that you are on top of the head already learned how the account determination works by using condition technique. Okay. So now if you look at this here, distributor, wholesalers, retailers. For that, I'll just take, okay, this is distributor, this is wholesalers, this is retailers. Three account assignment groups I'm going to define, and let's try to understand how exactly it works for you. Okay. So this is fine. Now let's come back. Okay. So now go to VK. Oh yeah. Okay. We'll take another combination. This is for customer group combination, right? I can able to show you here. I don't require material for this. Okay. Let's go to the new entries. So application is V and the revenue is KOFI and chart of accounts is INT and this is my sales organization and account assignment group. Oh, I need to define it first. Okay, let's close this. Now let's go to SPRO, reference IMG. So let's go to the sales and distribution. So I'm not going to exclusively want to discuss about account determination. Assume that you already know, then you can better understand this example. So let's go to the basic functions, account assignment group and costing and revenue account determination. Okay. So now let's try to define check master data relevant for account assignment. Here we can able to segregate either based on customers and materials. As of now, my requirement is based on customer. You can able to see this domestic revenue is affiliated like that he defined, right? Let's try to define our own that one dish revenue, distributor revenue. Z2 is wholesaler revenue. Z3 is for retailer revenue. Let's try to play with the system after defining all these things. So I'm using standard condition technique only for combination. Let's come here, account assignments. Now customer account assignments, new entries. Okay. So this one. So KOFI is finance, condition type. This is chart of accounts. And this is my sales organization. So what is my account assignment? Z1, distributor. Okay, I'm just taking the similar account key, ERL. But what is the difference here? Okay, let's come here. First GL account. Okay, for revenue, I'm going to determine this one. So this is fine. So now let's check. KYFI, INT again. So you have to do use files sometimes if any revenue account determination specific project if you find it. Okay, so just do 1, 2, and this is fine. KYFI, INT, okay, DRAM, Z3, ERL. Okay, all good. We define this one. Let me try to copy this combination so that we can able to discuss. See, one field, this is one field, but it is so powerful. That's what I'm telling you. So it simply divides revenue based on your segregation. Okay, let me put this. Let's keep this. Let's highlight this. Okay, if you would like to do it, you need 3 customers, right? Let's play with the system actually. Now let's go to the BP now. Okay. So assume that this person is distributor. Okay. So let's go to the change mode. What is ours? That one. You can able to see this distributor revenue. So who is that? Let's take this example customer for us. Okay, this guy as of now. Let's put it in an Excel for our understanding. Okay. Let's put it first sample. Okay. So this guy is, who is this? Distributor. So let's copy. Next, need not copy. Z2 you go. So let's take. Let's take this guy. Okay. So 83, right? 83 and 84. Okay. So let's assume this person is wholesaler. See, real-time scenarios is not coming up from sky or somewhere, not like that. Okay. So if you know standard better, you can able to play with the system. That's what I'm telling. Okay. So now let's go for this account assignment group is Z3. Okay. Retailer revenue. Now let's try to create a sales orders and let's play with the system. Before that, let me try to go back to the Excel. This guy 32, this guy 33. Okay. Wholesalers and retailers. Let's try to make 3 different colors. This guy, this color. Okay, that's fine. Let's try to check this one practically. Okay, so we have done account determination. Now the targeted GL account is supposed to get posted. I have done it for revenue only. Since I haven't created my account key, let me try to show you one thing. V/08. So this is the pricing procedure I have copied. So now you can, for revenue, this is ERL. Okay. So my condition type is DR000, ERL I have maintained. So in the similar way, you can able to work, either you can able to define your own account keys or else you can able to use the standard. Okay. This is for one field I'm discussing. This is not specific to any account determination concept. Okay, let's do one thing. So first we'll take this customer. Okay, that's fine. So this rev account determination. Okay. For distributor, we are checking irrespective of any material you take. So let's try to do the delivery. Okay. So let's do the post goods issue. So before creating a bill, let me try to show you. Okay. So if you click here, okay. So go to the billing document. Okay. So account assignment group, it is okay. This is for material. Let's try to check for customer. It is there in a header. That is fine. So go to the account assignment. See, this is for distributor. Okay, it is determined, right, from your customer. So now go to VF01. Okay, let's go to the header. You can able to see this. Okay, account assignment group for customer. So material, irrespective of any material, we are not considering. Let's try to check now. Okay, VF03 or VF02. So let's go to the accounting document. See, first GL account ends with 31, sorry, so 11. Okay, it is got determined for your revenue. Okay, so it is passed, right? So for this customer, this is the GL account combination. Okay. Okay. So let's try to check for wholesaler now. So now wholesaler is this guy. Okay. This is not distributed revenue. This is wholesaler revenue. Just I'm writing, it's not actual PO number. For your understanding, I'm just writing there. Now, if you look at this in billing document, okay, see, you got a Jet2 account assignment group. Let's save this. 1 second. Something asking what it is looking for. I haven't created, that's why it is asking. Otherwise, we will do one thing, we'll just try to use another customer by unnecessary. We need not use it forcefully this. So, what is this? We'll take this BP. So this is as a wholesaler. Okay. So sales and distribution. I'm just changing the customer instead of fixing that error to speed up our work. So this one is, so Jet2 is wholesaler. Okay. So let's try to check partner function. Partner function, this is the customer I'm just taking. So let's save this. So let's try to a small modification here. So customer I have changed. This one is 34. 34 is wholesaler. Okay. Let's try to check. Because that one for another scenario, I just created as a ship to. That's why I don't want to spoil that scenario. So wholesaler. So now fine. So now you can able to check. Okay, this guy is wholesaler. We're all good. Let's try to deliver this order. Press enter. So PCI. So now let's try to do this. VF01. Now you can able to check in header. So account assignment group is Jet2 determined. That means GL account supposed to be the next number. Okay. So now let's go to the VF03 accounting tab. So now it's ends with 1, 2. Okay. Let's try to compare with our sheet. This is 1, 2. So this is also passed. Okay. Now let's try to create it. Last one. So now you understood, right, by this time. So for one field, this much explanation. If you don't understand, you can able to check my account determination concept. You will have a full understanding. Okay. So this is retailer. So let's take this material. Let's try to do the delivery. So if you do the delivery, so PCI. So now let's come here, VF01. So now check what is the account assignment group for this. So wholesaler came up for this. So which one I have taken? 1 second, let me take. This supposed to be 33. Yeah, forgotten. Okay. Let's create one more order. 34 is enough. We have already created. So let's try to take. Okay. So let's take billing document. What exactly we are getting? Accounting document. We are getting it as a revenue. So deliver this. So let's do the delivery. Now go to the billing actually. So it has VLPOD activated. That's why we got this error. First do the VLPOD and let's save this. And let's try to build this. This guy is retailer. Okay, now got retailer revenue. So it will be posted into another JL account. VF0 or VF03, anyone you can able to take it. See, now you got it sends with 1-3. This is how you have to do the practice. Different scenarios. Don't think that it's posted for a standard JL account. Okay, I'm good. Then real time who will help you out? All these things. That's what I'm telling. Okay. So if you'd like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel. I keep on requesting you. And currently I'm holding 7,761 students. I'm just trying to add this field information also here. You can look at this. Currently it is holding 70.5 hours and with 247 lectures. So you can try these two courses. If anything in the middle, if you understand, so you can go through the total course somewhere you will get some understanding. For example, this is account determination course. It's too early to give a broader explanation about this one. Okay. Here you can able to take 1, 2, 3 alphanumerics, anything you 2-digit code you can able to define on your own way. Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Keep doing practice to reach your goal.